Abalone, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to push 6 of your opponent's marbles out of play into the board's outer rim. Lay out the board, and each player picks a color and arranges the marbles as shown. Pick a player to go first, then turns alternate. On your turn, you may move either a single marble or column of marbles of your own color 1 space. A column consists of 2 or 3 marbles of the same color directly adjacent to one another in a straight line. A single marble can move 1 free space in any direction. A column can move 1 free space in an inline direction, or it can sidestep. A sidestep move is when all the marbles in a column are moved sideways into adjacent free spaces. All the marbles in the column must move in the same direction. All the spaces from a sidestep must be free in order to move. A sidestep move cannot be used to push an opponent's marble or column. When your column is in line with and directly adjacent to a lesser number of your opponent's marbles, you have a Sumito advantage. In a Sumito position, your column may push columns of less size with an inline move. So, a column of 3 marbles may push 1 or 2 marbles, and a column of 2 marbles may only push 1 marble. All pushes move 1 space, and a single marble may never push an opponent's marbles. When pushing, the opponent's marbles must either be pushed into an unoccupied space or off the board into the outer rim. Marbles pushed into the outer rim are no longer in play and may not be moved. Enemy marbles sandwiched between friendly marbles may not be pushed. 3 or more marbles may not be moved. Thus, an opponent's column of 3 can never be pushed. The first player to push 6 of their opponent's marbles off the board and into the outer rim wins.